can see that we have created a beautiful model with the help of Revolve cut command. Hello and welcome back to InventoCAD. Today we will see how do we use the Revolve cut command in SolidWorks. So here we are going to open a new canvas, and now I will create a sketch. So first of all, we will take the plane, and then I'm creating a rectangle over here. Okay, so once the rectangle is created, give it dimension with the help of smart dimension. Okay, you can provide your dimension as per your requirement. So now I will give it some fillet. So fillet is provided to all the four corners. Now I am executing the sketch. Fillet is provided to all the four corners, and now I am exiting the sketch. Then we will go to features, extrude, and we can extrude it up to a height 50 mm. Now here we have a block. So now what I'm going to do is I'm selecting a plane here. Okay, so I have selected the top plane like this, and we will create a sketch on the top plane now. Now I've created a line for the axis, so we will make this line for construction. So this will become a dotted line. Now exit the sketch, go to top plane again. Here we were not required to exit the sketch. Now go to sketch again, and then I will create a rectangle over here this way. Now again I will create one more rectangle like this. Okay, now trim. Now we need to define the sketch. So here I am giving it one dimension, giving it another dimension. Now I am giving this side a dimension, and this side also I am giving it a dimension. Now we will give a dimension from this point to this point, and this point to this point. Now we can see that this will move up and down, and this will also move up and down. So we will give it a dimension like this. From this point to this point we will give it a vertical dimension, and again from this point to this point we will again give it a vertical dimension. So now your sketch is fully defined. Okay, now we can trim it from here like this. Okay, so click on OK and click on dimension and give it a dimension. So we can't give it a dimension because it's showing over defined. Now we need to see that why this is not fully defined here. So here it is moving in the horizontal direction. So here what we will do, we will give it a dimension from this point to this point, and then we can see that the sketch is fully defined. Okay, so we have created a sketch on the top plane as well. Now we will exit the sketch, and once we exit the sketch we need to go to features, and then we need to go to the revolve cut, and once we will go to revolve cut command, we need to select the axis of revolution, which is this one, and then here we can select the contour, which is this one. So click on OK, and now you can see that we have created a beautiful profile with the help of Revolve cut command in SolidWorks. So this is why we use the Revolve cut command in SolidWorks. Make sure that you are creating the sketch which should be fully defined and it should not be movable. So now we can give this an appearance. Like click on appearance, then click on the body, then select the body, and from the right side click here, and then we can give it a appearance, any appearance, like we are giving it a metal appearance. Polished aluminum. If you wish to give it this one, then we can see that we have created a beautiful model with the help of Revolve cut command. We can hide the sketch, we can hide the axis, and this is how we have used the extrude cut command and the revolve cut command to create this model. I hope you like the video. I hope you like my model that I have created. If you like, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and share my videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.